Let's take a closer look at this folding C-shaped end table. Now it stands about 28 inches high, 24 inches long, and about 15 inches in width. This table can be used for a small sofa side table or a laptop desk, or perhaps you want to use it as a TV tray in front of your couch, or it can even be used as a bedside table. I purchased this table because I wanted it collapsible so that I could store it away, and that's exactly what it does. The table folds down and the legs fold up, and the table is very sturdy. As you can see, it's made from solid metal frame, and it took my husband and I about 20 minutes to put it together. Now let me show you how the table collapses for easy storageability. Underneath this table, there's two levers, and they have to be pressed simultaneously, and the table drops. And in order to pick the table back up, you just pick it up, and it snaps into place. Now, in order to do the legs, you do have to set them down, and both of these levers have to be pushed simultaneously. I usually use my knee on one, and then I press the other one, and the legs collapse. And in order to pull them up, they just snap into place. But let me show you how portable this is. Let me keep the legs collapsed, and let me pull this down the table. And as you can see, look how portable it is. I wanted to point out, when it is collapsible, you can see how thin it is. It's just a couple inches. So it makes it very easy to store in a tight location.